Hi friends, I just want to share this video with you today. It's so beautiful up here and I want you guys to see it. I'm sitting in the back of the car with the hood open in the back. See, there's my feet. And there's the beautiful view I have. It's a bit windy. And I see all the birds flying around up there in the sky. You see them? Let me see if we can zoom in. And one of them flew right in front of me. It was, oh my gosh, spectacular. They went back towards the trees. Don't know if they were eagles. I think they were. Okay. I wish I had brought my tripod. I could have just put my phone in the tripod and put it near the lake for you guys so you can have the lake to yourself for maybe half an hour. So nice. How about I just hold my phone like this so you guys can see what I see? See the clouds? They're very slowly moving. See the bird gliding over the water over there? The way they glide on the water. They're just playing. It's a Wednesday morning and we're all chilling out here. Pretty cool. I don't have to be at work. Not today. Oh, how I wish I had brought a warm blanket. But I'm okay. I do have a warm Sherpa coat on. A little Sherpa coat that zips in the front I'm wearing. I just hope I get to be up here by myself for, oh, at least an hour. That'd be nice to have this place all to myself for that long. It's just a bunch of trees back here. Great place to do breathing. Breathing that calms you down. Sometimes I do that. So you inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 2, exhale 8 seconds. And you can just keep doing that. And as you're doing that, just imagine the things that you want in your life to come effortlessly to you. Shall we try it? Okay, here we go. I did it 5 times. It just really relaxes you. Just a little breathing exercise like that. For a minute there, I thought I heard some wild turkeys. Maybe I imagined it. Okay, guys, I'm going to continue to spend some time out here just relaxing and resting in the mountains. Thanks for stopping by and spending time. Create your own happiness. All right, catch y'all later.